Now we're going to be looking at using an if statement. So you can use the if condition with single or multiple conditions. So the starting and ending block of the statement is defined by if and phi. So we start with if, end it with phi, which is just if spelled backwards. So we're going to create a file named simple_if.sh with the following script. So here 10 is assigned to the variable n. And if the value of the variable n is less than 10, then the output will be it is a one-digit number. Otherwise, the output is going to be it is a two-digit number. So for comparison, -lt is used here. And we can also use the -eq, -ne, and -gt, which stands for equal, not equal, or greater than. And guys, when we use these square brackets, these are the expressions you want to use. Okay. When we're doing arithmetic, we use a parentheses or double parentheses, and we can use things like plus, minus, star for multiplication, not equal, so exclamation point or equal sign, or equal, double equal sign, or just an equal. Okay, so double parentheses allows you to use those characters as actual arithmetic, and they won't be interpreted as other things. Okay, so let's check that out on our virtual box here. I'm going to go ahead and clear my screen. We're going to enter and use the Vim editor. We're going to name this if. Got to double check what the name is. Simpleif.sh. So simple_if.sh. I for insert mode. Always start with our hash string. So we're going to set a variable n equal to the number 10. We always start if statements with if, and then our statement that we want to check, whether it's true or false. So that's how if statements work. We're checking if this statement is true or false. Variable n is -lt for less than 10. Close the square bracket. We put a semicolon, then we do then. And then it's going to indent it for us because we're putting commands. Echo, it is a one-digit number. Else, so on if statements, we can have an else, and we can do as many else's if we want, okay? We're going to say echo, and I'm going to explain what that means here in a second, is a two-digit number. And then we end it with phi, which is if spelled backwards, okay? Excuse me. So we're saying if this is true, so if variable n is less than 10, then do this. Else, if it's not true, then do this, okay? I could also put another else. I could say, that would mean if this is true, then do this. Else, if that's not true, then do this. Else, if neither of those is true, then do this other thing, okay? So we can actually keep this if statement going, okay? We don't have to just do two parts to it. I can add as many parts as I want to these middle parts until something is true. Okay, so let's go ahead and make this executable, see what happens. Check out our script in action. So all plus executable simple if.sh. Let's execute it with the bash command. So simple_if.sh. So it is a two-digit number. Okay. Why did that happen? Well, as we see here in our script, n, which is equal to 10, is not less than 10, right? 10 is not less than 10. So that statement is false. So if this is true, then do this, right? If this is true, do this. It is not true, so else we did this. It is a two-digit number. Okay?